What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about the E-COPO Camaro and why a lot of people have this big misconception about it. I've already seen a few different videos of people believing that it's actually going to be a real package. All it is a concept, but it's a concept that's awesome. It's supposed to have 600 rear-wheel horsepower and 600 foot-pounds of torque. But oh hey boy, what are you doing? You want to be in the video? This is Thor. I know the first time y'all saw him was right before my house flooded during Harvey. He was a little old puppy. But at the end of the day, this is still just a SEMA concept by Chevrolet, the E-COPO Camaro. So, I mean, it'd be really cool if they ended up making it. It's supposed to be able to do the quarter mile in under 10 seconds, which is really cool. And it's supposed to be powered by 2 electric motors. And it's supposed to have 4 battery packs in the trunk, which is going to help the traction because I think each battery weighs like 175 pounds, so it's able to help the launches, which is able to help it get under 10 seconds. Now, for those of you who don't know, the COPO Camaro has always been the street illegal car. It's the drag purpose Camaro built by Chevrolet. Pretty much it has drag tires, it has upgraded suspension, engine work, just crazy amount of horsepower, and it's just street illegal. Now, as far as the COPO Camaros they are going to be selling, they're going to be selling the COPOs with the 302, the 302 small block, the 350 and the 427, and they're going to be in about the $90,000 to $100,000 price range. So they're not cheap, but if you want an awesome drag car that's just going to be a drag car, off-road use only, an awesome car. And these cars don't even have VIN numbers, so it's impossible to register them. So like I said, they are only drag cars. Now here's a little clip of the E-COPO over at SEMA, just so y'all can see exactly what the specifications are.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's quiet. This is the E-COPO concept. It's an all-electric drag racing concept that Chevrolet brought to SEMA. Fully electrified COPO. There's 2 Ford-Warner electric motors that are set up in series, a single assembly, plus we have 2 inverters. This is a bolt-in replacement for the V8. Fits right in the LS bell housing, then mounts directly to the transmission, which is a turbo 403-speed auto. And so, what about the battery? This is exciting. We have 4 200-volt modules, 4 200-volt modules, 2 in the back seat, 2 in the trunk for 800 volts. First application for a Chevrolet ever at 800 volts. It's very exciting. But what about the power? Over 700 horsepower is generated from this combination and 600 foot-pounds of, listen to this, instantaneous torque.
Now, while that's really cool, it almost makes me wonder, what is the future for drag racing? Everyone knows that the Teslas, they are eating everybody up. I mean, they're doing Teslas versus Demons, and Demons are supposed to be the street legal drag car, and they're an insane car. I mean, they're a 10-second car. But Chevrolet did say that the E-COPO, basically all the electronic components, they bolt up directly to the bell housing, and I mean, it could be a package that's offered later on, but it's not anything in the talks right now. But at the end of the day, I really do see that there's going to be 2 different classes out there. There's going to be E85, basically corn-fed cars, and the electric cars. Like I said, I believe they're going to be 2 different classes. I mean, drag racing is not going away, but they're going to have to separate the cars because electric cars are just in a whole different category. But let me know what y'all think about this video down in the comments. Just give me your opinions of the E-COPO Camaro and the future of drag racing. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a great day.